Hello guys, I'm Shaima. In this tutorial video, we are going to do Panorama Editor. So you guys can go to Gallery, then you can go to Panorama. Make sure all your panorama have finished render. Then you can go to Edit VR Panorama. Okay, so this edit button and this edit button is different. You need to go to Edit VR Panorama to link all the panorama into one URL link. Okay, so you go to Edit VR Panorama. Then you can click Open Editor. But if you rename your floor plan or you edit anything in your floor plan, you need to press Update Floor Plan first. Then you can go to Open Editor. Alright, so this is the Panorama Editor. You can see on your left side, this is all the panorama that you have done. Okay, so you can see one by one, check whether it's correct. Okay, so on the right side, this is the scene basic setting. You can try delete the scene if your room name and your panorama is incorrect. Let's say this dining room, but the panorama is at kitchen, so you can delete the scene. Okay, select the room and press delete scene. Okay, I will try delete a few panorama. Okay, delete my kitchen. Alright, so now you can try add the missing panorama. So you can click this button, add new scene, select the correct room, master bedroom, and select the correct panorama for master bedroom. Click confirm. Okay, and you can add more. So I will add my kitchen and select the correct panorama for kitchen. Okay, so this is my kitchen, click confirm. And last one, my dining room. Okay, so this is my dining room. Alright, then click confirm. Once you have added all the panorama, okay, you can try this new button, upload and replace render. Let's say I want to replace my render in car porch. Okay, I don't like this panorama. I want to upload from my previous project. You can click this upload. Okay, but you need to go back to this page. Okay, this one you can close. Go to your gallery. You can find any panorama from your previous project. Okay, so this one, let's say I download this one from my newest project. And you need to download the original panorama as well in your current project. So you have two panorama that you need to upload. Okay, the new panorama and the original panorama. Okay, click upload. Then you can check your download folder. Okay, so you need to select both panorama. Okay, upload one by one. Another one. Then you need to wait for a while. Okay, so once you see it already upload, you can click this button, replace render, and click the small button, use the scene, and the panorama will automatically change. You can import panorama from your previous project, just use these two buttons, upload and replace render. Okay, so let's go to the next button. Okay, this one, this is edit roaming hotspot. Okay, so we'll start with living room. Okay, so this is my living room. Right, so let's say from living room, I want to go to my next room, which is kitchen. Okay, so I can create door tag. You can click this button, create door tag, go to my next room, kitchen. So I select kitchen panorama, then click confirm. So this is the door tagging. You can drag to the floor and you can also change the arrow. Okay, click this button, change the arrow to the right. Okay. Next, if I rotate my panorama, I can see the staircase. So I can add another door tag, go to the next room, master bedroom. Okay, and I can change the arrow. Alright, and then we have another panorama to link, which is the car porch. So you can create door tag, go to car porch, confirm. You can drag to this door, drag the door tag to the door, and you can change the arrow. Okay, so this one I will change, go to the right. Okay, so this is the door tag in living area. Then you can go to the next room, which is car porch. Okay, so I select car porch, and you can create one door tag, go back inside to living room. So I select living room and click confirm. Okay, this one you can drag to the door and change the arrow. Go inside. Alright, so this is the tagging. Then we go to the next room. Okay, I start with master bedroom. Alright, so here I can create door tag, go back downstairs to living room. Okay, then you can drag the door tag to the door as well. Here, and you can change the arrow, go downward. Okay, go downstairs. Alright, so then we proceed with kitchen. Okay, go back to living room. Okay, so here kitchen, we need to add door tag going to the next room, which is our dining room. So I create door tag, go to the next room, which is dining room. Click confirm. Okay, drag the tagging here. You can drag anywhere you want. I will drag to the floor. Okay, change the arrow to the left. Next, I need to add another door tag, go back to living room. Otherwise, I can go, but I cannot come back to previous room. Okay, so I create two door tag. Okay, alright. Next, we go to the last room, dining room. Okay, so there's nowhere else to go. So you just create one door tag, going back to kitchen, or you can directly go back to living room, up to you. Okay, so I'll go to kitchen. Drag the door tag here, change the arrow if you want. Okay, go to the right. Okay, so if you have done, you can click save button up here. Click save. Then you can click preview to see the outcome. Alright, so you can see if I rotate, I can see all the door tags. Okay, you can click the tagging and it will direct you to the next room. Okay, so this is the kitchen. Okay, from kitchen, you can click this tagging, go to dining. Okay, then you can go back to kitchen. Okay, so here I can go back to living room, and when I rotate to other side, I can go to next room, master bedroom. Okay, but if you don't want to click the door tagging, you can click this button, room. So you can go to other room by clicking this image. Like this one, I go to car porch. Alright, so this is the door tagging. Remember, this button will link all your panorama together. So next we go to the third button, create replace product. This one you need to submit more than 2 panorama, but I have 2 panorama only, so I select both panorama. And need to put title, what product you change. Here I change the wallpaper. Click confirm. If you have 5 different products, then you need to submit 5 panorama with different product inside, and you need to upload in here. Okay, so then we go to the fourth button, create product tags. Okay, for product tag, you can put link in this box. Okay, so let's say I use a real product, real brand. Okay, let's say this side table I use from IKEA. So I can open an IKEA web page. Okay, IKEA side table. Okay, you can open the page and copy the link. Okay, so the link is up here. You can right click and press copy. Okay, click copy and go back to Panorama Editor, create product tag. Okay, so paste the link here. This one you need to press Ctrl V. Press Ctrl V to paste the link. And you put title, side table. Down here you can put briefly introduction if you want. Then you can drag the tagging to the product. Alright, so then remember click save. Last one we have music. You can add music to the panorama. So you choose the music. Okay, you can upload your own music, but make sure it must be in MP3 format. Okay, so you can try open the training material. The music is in file number 8. Okay, you can try import this file. Okay, just click upload. Once it's uploaded in here, you can click the small button, use this music. Alright, and then you need to click apply to other scenario. Okay, so you can click all the panorama. Whenever you go to the next room, you will hear the same music. Alright, click save. Okay, so let's see the outcome. You can click preview. Alright, we go to the master bedroom. This is the master bedroom. Okay, so let's see the product replacement we add just now. Click this wallpaper tagging and you can see the panorama on the left side. Okay, you can change the view. You can see the wallpaper is changing. You can try change other product as well, such as the bed or the carpet. Okay, so let's go to the side table. Click the link and you can see the IKEA web page. The customer also can see the price tag. Alright, so this is the product tagging. Okay, and one more thing for the music also. When you go to other room, okay, you will hear the same song and you can turn off the music up here. Okay, so we have done all the 5 buttons on the right side. Now we go to the top ribbon, this one, expiration date. Okay, you can click this button and you can click add. Alright, so when you add, you can select the expired date. Okay, let's say next Monday, and you can also select the expired time. Okay, so let's say around 6 p.m. Okay, 6 p.m. Alright, once you click create button, you can copy this link and give to your customer or your colleague. Okay, so let's say they open the link on Tuesday, then cannot already. Okay, the link will crash because exceed the expired date. You can add more if you want. If you don't want, just click delete. Delete. Alright, so this is expired link for your panorama. The main URL link is inside here, generate QR code. So you can see the QR code image and the link inside here. If you copy this link and give to your customer, they can view the panorama 24 hours unless you go offline. You can click this button to go online back, then your customer can see the panorama. Alright, so here we have the basic setup. Okay, basic setup is usually to rename your panorama. You can see when I click the link, I can see this title, 20 December class. So you can try replace it. Okay, and don't forget to put some details down here. Okay, this is for the introduction. Okay, and you need to put some keyword as well. Okay, you can put a few words. Then click save. Alright, then you can try refresh the page. Okay, try refresh the page first. Okay, then open the link again, click preview. Okay, you can see the name also changes. So basic setup is to change your panorama name. Alright, next we go to generate video. Okay, so this one you can record a short video in any room that you want. Let's say we go to kitchen. Okay, I want to record a short video in kitchen. So you adjust your angle, maybe start from this corner. And here you can select the speed. And you can select the time. Okay, maximum you can only record up to 20 seconds. Okay, you can make it portrait mode and hide the logo if you want. Then select the music from here. You cannot upload music here. You can only select the music from this list. Then you can click start. It will record like this lah. The camera will move from left to right. Once have done, then you can click save. It will automatically save in your download file in your PC. Alright, so this is generate video. So we already know how to use the buttons in Panorama Editor. I guess you guys can try out yourself. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys learned something. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe our channel. Bye bye.